guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making fries supreme. I'm taking you along. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so now I've got my French fries cooked that I did in my air fryer, and now we're just going to add some ground beef that has the taco seasoning in it, and then we're going to add on, I think, the queso cheese and then all of the toppings. This is a pretty easy recipe just to follow along with. My boyfriend and I were goofing around when I was recording this, and hence the reason why I'm doing a voiceover, because there was some language used that's probably not good for YouTube. So anyways, here we are putting the queso on. When I was originally filming this is when he was joking around and let the F-bomb slip. So anyways, now we're going to add on some onions and then the tomatoes. And that's basically it. This is Fries Supreme at home, and it was delicious. Now we're adding some sour cream, because you can't have Fries Supreme without the sour cream. And like I said before, this was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys.